good thing is that, as I've just said, my own feelings is that what we have managed today to achieve is the amount that has been pledged. I'm very confident that it will definitely be secured. It will definitely be paid by the donors. We have seen conferences where the amount that has been pledged runs into $6, $7, or $8 billion. But at the end of it, the total amount that has been committed is far less than 10% or 20%. So as far as we are concerned, we also have a minimum cut-off rate that we put for ourselves. We were not, well, of course, if we managed to raise the 7 billion, that could have been a perfect thing to happen. But we put ourselves a certain level, which I think we have just achieved. So we are very happy with what we have achieved today.